So we're in my rapid prototyping lab in Las Vegas. This will be an interesting video because this will be the last video that I do from this space. The reason is I got the opportunity to go work for a additive manufacturing company in Austin, Texas. So that means that I have to tear down my entire lab here and move it to a new space in Austin. So I'm really excited about it. This is like my third or fourth iteration of this lab. And every time I move it, I tend to get more capability and it's a better and better space. So I'm excited to do that. I've got a lot of work to do, obviously, to tear this place down and bring it to Austin. So I won't have videos for the next couple weeks or so. But I'm definitely going to really document the experience of building a space like this from the ground up. The main thing that I'm trying to do here is throw as much capability from an additive and subtractive standpoint into a really small space. I want to be able to build whatever I want to build here. So that's gonna be really cool. So you'll get to see the process of kind of building a space like this from the ground up. This video is just essentially an homage to the space. I wanted to take a look back a little bit and see a lot of the projects and a lot of the things that I've done here. And then I'm gonna close it out with some shots of basically trying to tear this place down, because it's, you know, I've been working on this place for about 5 years or so. So there's gonna be a lot of teardown going on, and I think that'll be kind of interesting. So the next time I'll do a video will hopefully be from Austin, Texas.